So the first part of our solution, we know that the perpendicular bisector of PQ passes through its midpoint. So let's figure out that midpoint using our formula. We'll write down what we're given. x1 is -1, y1 is 4, x2 is 3, and y2 is -5. So formula for midpoint, we average the x's and average the y's. So when we sub in, we get -1 plus 3 over 2, and 4 plus -5 over 2. -1 plus 3 is 2, 4 plus -5 is -1. So our midpoint after we divide is 1 and -1 over 2. Now let's look at the slope of the perpendicular bisector. It's going to have a slope that's a negative reciprocal of the slope of PQ. So we'll calculate the slope of PQ. Again, x1 is -1, y1 is 4, x2 is 3, y2 is -5. So our formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when we sub in, we have -5 minus 4 over 3 subtract -1. -5 minus 4 is -9. 3 subtract -1 is 3 plus 1, so it's 4. So the slope of the perpendicular bisector is the negative reciprocal, so we flip the fraction, take a negative, two negatives make a positive, so the slope of our perpendicular bisector is 4 over 9. Now that we have a slope and a point, we can use our formula to find the equation of a line. So we're given a point of 1 and -1 over 2 since we're using our midpoint, and a slope of 4 over 9. Write down our point slope equation of the line and sub in. So we have y subtract -1 over 2 is equal to 4 over 9 times x minus 1. Simplifying, we get y plus 1 over 2 equals 4 over 9x minus 4 over 9. If we subtract 1/2 from both sides, we have y equals 4 over 9x minus, now to get a common denominator, we change 4 over 9 to 8 over 18 and 1/2 to 9 over 18. So when we clean this up, y is equal to 4 over 9x minus 17 over 18. This is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So now in this example, you're asked to determine the shortest distance from the origin, 0, 0, to the line y equals 2x minus 5.